Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Don't forget to click subscribe button. Don't forget we have close to 1,000 piano videos on this channel. Yeah, it's very rare to find a channel like this, so the least you can do is to subscribe to this channel and share with others. God bless you. So today I want to teach you how to play this song. I'll play the song first, then teach. You deserve the glory. I've always done the chorus part. Right. Then for you are great. I've always done that part. You do miracles so great. There is no one stars like you. Right? Right? Okay, so let me quickly show you some few stuffs here. So to play this song, so I'm in the key of F sharp. Alright, so it goes, you deserve the glory. You deserve the glory. So you're one chord, 1 F sharp, C sharp, B flat. So C sharp, F sharp, B flat. So glory. So you deserve the glory. Then and me, or you do her. So I'll show you this chord. Right before. Okay, so I'll show you that chord. So, but before then, if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, you can see the flyer on the screen. It's just $7.5 for people in Nigeria, and then it's $12 for people in abroad. I mean, if you are very serious and passionate about learning, you should not go on without getting this course. The link to get it is in my description. Is in the description of this video you're watching. So I taught all those topics, everything in this course you are buying. It's a pre-recorded course already. So it's a pre-recorded course. You pay, you get your files immediately. Right? You can do PayPal, do any stuff. I mean, you can chat me up on WhatsApp to buy your copy. My WhatsApp contact is on the channel homepage. So you can always chat me up to buy a copy, or you can try the link also, the seller link. You can try it from any country. It should work. If it doesn't work, then try and contact me personally to get it directly from me. All right, God bless you. So you'll learn a lot of all these stuff from it. So let me show you this chord. So this chord. So I'll just call the name of the chord. So this is C minor 7, right? This is F7. But now let me call the note. So here on my left I have so this is for the 7 degree. So on my left I have a F, C and A flat, E flat. On the right I have a C, E flat, G and B flat. You can go over that again. So your 7, then your 3. On your 3 we have a B flat 7. On 1 we have a D augmented major 7. That's the chord on the right hand. So on the left we have a B flat, F and A flat. On the right we have a D, F sharp, A sharp and C sharp. Then you do your normal C. So your 6, 6, 3, 1. On left 6, 3, 1. I'm sure you know your number system. If you don't know it, you need to buy my beginner's course on the piano to learn from scratch. All right. So that's on the seller link also. So 6, 3, 1 on the left. Then on the right you have a 6, 1, 3, 6. So I've taught you deserve the glory, right? Then so that now again, I'm doing it on 2. So on the left you have A flat, E flat, and F sharp. On the right, we have a quarter voicing, which is C, F and B flat. So I expect that you should be writing. So yeah, I don't want to see stuff like it's too fast. Nothing is too fast. You are supposed to be writing. You are not a computer. You should write. Get your pen and paper and write. I mean, right? And you can slow this A flat to B flat. So you can do. So 2 to 3, back to 2 to 1 to this chord. So to this chord, your 5, which is on the left hand, you have a C sharp minor. So that's C sharp, E and A flat, right? On the left, you have a E major. The second inversion. So the second inversion, which is a B, E, and G sharp. So we've learned you deserve the glory and the honor. Right. Then so to your 1 now, we'll do a 1 that is going to 4. So that one will not really be a resolved 1. So it will be a 1 with a bit of tension. It sounds tension. It sounds like there's release also. I don't know what you feel about this. Can let me know in the comment section. And also let me know what country you're watching from. So what do you feel about this chord? Tension, release, which one? How does it feel to you? So that's your 1. So we have a F sharp, C sharp, and E on the left. On the right, we have a E flat major. So B flat, E flat, G, and B flat. So let me sing. Take the song from the beginning again, so I don't miss any part. So you deserve the glory, oh, and the honor. Wow. Okay. Lord, we want that lift us and worship. Okay, so you go to your 4, which is a 4, 1, 5 on left. On right, you have a 6, 1, 3, and 5, which is this is oh god. This is E flat minor 7, right? Okay, yeah. Alright. Man. So you are playing them with chords so that they sound full. So you do that. And then you go to 3 to 6. Right, so you do. Then you do your 4. D flat. Sorry, this is not D flat. E flat, G flat, and B. Right? Worship. So you do F sharp major, second inversion. Second inversion, and then you come to C sharp major. So F sharp major, second inversion to C sharp major. Then you go to 3 on your left and 6. So 6. Then I'll show you something like this. But go and learn that in my intermediate piano course. Alright, so that. Okay, so so you do your R3, 2 on the left, 2, 4, 5. Oh, you can do this. So you do the melody. One more time. Then you go to the 736. I'm sure we've done a lot of that on the channel before. Then you go. For you, if I were you, I'll do something like that. Right? There you go. So the chord you can actually play for the 736, I'll put a link in the description of this video also and in the comment section of a video where I already taught 736. For you are great. I'm sure I did this song. You do miracles so great. There is no one else like you, right? There is no right? So what I did now is I went from F sharp smoothly to my minor third, which is A, and then I came back to F sharp. Someone will say, a side step. Yes, that was a side step actually. I did a side step from F sharp to A back to F sharp, and I have courses on all these things. I have courses on how to play on all keys and many more. So follow this channel for many more. We have a lot of videos, and we have courses also for you, paid courses that will quickly get you to your destination. So make your choice today. It depends on your level of passion. You really want to learn this thing, rush and grab those courses. Chat me up now and grab those courses. Because what? You get a lot of value. You just play like me. You start playing like me after using my courses. That's the truth. God bless you. Bye.